It is time to start doing what the rich does. Yes, they send their money to work for them, and I'm telling you that it really works hard for them. Federal government bond is closing tomorrow. I'm also here to let you know that that's 10,000 naira, that 5,000 naira in your bank can be put to work. It is time to start doing what the rich does. Yes, they send their money to work for them, and I'm telling you that it really works hard for them. So why don't you do the same? I'm not talking about all this rich pre scheme and all that. I'm talking of real ways you can earn money. Now, if you're looking for ways you can invest your money and make your money work for you, today's video is for you, and I'm sure that you will not want to miss it. We are talking about the ongoing federal government Nigerian saving bond. It is one way that you can earn money while supporting the Nigerian government. I needed to do this video immediately and upload. Why? Because it's very urgent. Federal government bond is closing tomorrow. Actually, there's a video that's supposed to go up today, but I need to reschedule that video and then upload this one immediately. Why? Because it is very, very urgent. So, guys, today we're talking about the ongoing federal government saving bond. Now, if you're keeping eye on the Nigerian markets, if you're keeping eye on the Nigerian economy, you know that government is trying to raise funds for their various projects, and the way they do this is by offering saving bond. And what is this federal government saving bond? It is a government issued bond that allows Nigeria to invest in their country. So it's just like you lending your money to your government, lending your 5,000 naira to the Nigerian government. It's just like a loan that you're lending to the government, and then at the end of the day, you are getting paid together with the interest. Now you may ask, okay, why should I consider the federal government saving bond? Now, one thing about this is that it has a competitive interest compared to the traditional banks. Whether you're a newbie investor or probably whether you're already in the game, you're just looking for portfolios to add to your investments, you can consider federal government saving bond. It is a great option for you. It is low risk. It is also a stable way you can earn passive income. It's a stable way your money can grow for you. Now you ask, okay, how much is needed for me to be involved in this federal government saving bond? As low as 5,000 naira, you guys. As low as 5,000 naira, you can start this investment. Now, if you're a student, this is a good opportunity for you. This saving bond is accessible to anyone. So that 5,000 naira in your bank, at the end of the day, bank will be removing their deduction, their maintenance fee. Why don't you put it to work and then you watch your money grow? So now let's talk about the interest rates. Now the interest rate for this month is 16% for 2 years, then 17% for 3 years. Now one thing about this is that your interest will be divided every quarterly. You are being paid. If you subscribe for the 2 years, every quarter you are paid your 16% that is already divided. Now the one for this month is already out and is ending tomorrow, Friday. Usually, this federal government saving bond is open first week of every month and then it runs for the week. So the one for April is ending tomorrow. So if you're interested in this type of thing, why don't you get started just with 5,000 naira? Now, if you have more than 5,000 naira, that's okay. It is reliable. Why? Because it is the federal government that is handling your investment. And the next point is, okay, how do I start this investment? The only thing you need to do is just to go to bank. We have the Stanbic, or probably you can use any other stockbroker. Just go to bank, you provide your details, you fill your form, you provide the necessary details, and then you sleep, sit back, and watch your money go for you. That's the only thing you need to do. Now, another major thing about this interest is that it is free from tax. You're not paying tax, and there is no 10% deduction. You're not paying anything, nothing. Your complete interest is being paid to you every quarter. So if you're looking for safe investment that will make you sleep while making a decent return, the federal government saving bond is worth considering. If you have gotten value from this video, please subscribe for more financial tips. Drop a comment, drop a question for me, and I'm here to give you answer to your questions. Till next time, keep investing, keep growing, and stay financially savvy. Bye.